Today we're going to look at the Master Lock 1547 DCM. It is a lock used for locking up a backpack, sports gear, and luggage. Not very large, but doesn't have a TSA key for it because it's not a TSA lock. And according to the packaging, the security rating on this is a number 2, which is about the lowest I've ever seen on any Master Lock. It has a 3-dial combination. By moving the wheels, you can move the numbers to whatever your combination is set for. This one is set for 615. So we'll move it 615, and to unlock it, you just press this down. You see it's unlocked. And to lock it, you just have to move the wheels to another set of numbers, and it's locked. It's all metal, at least the outside parts. The dials here are plastic, and I will show you how to bypass this. Not that it's worth it, but you will need plenty of light and maybe a magnifying glass to do this, but it can be done. Let's see if I can move this up a little bit. Okay. There we go. You can see the dials, and underneath there, this is green plastic here. There are the wheels and the gears, basically, for the lock. You can sort of see the gear up here. But on these internal wheels, there are gates, but there's only one gate per wheel, no false gates. In order to get this unlocked, you have to line up all the gates in it, and it's a very simple thing to do. You just move it, the wheel, each to one number at a time, until you find the opening, which is the gate, which you can see right here. It's a fairly big opening. And you do the same one with the next dial. Rotate it till you find the gate. There it is. Rotate this one. Till you find the gate. And there it is there. So you have all 3 gates lined up. Now I'll check it out. You have one more step to do. You have the numbers 493. And we know that's not the combination. The combination was set for 615. So to get the true combination, all you have to do is add 2 to each number. So add 2 to 4, you'll get 6. 2 to 9, you'll get 1. 2 to 3, you'll get 5. And it's opened. In order to set a new combination, you just depress this and you rotate the wheels to whatever numbers you want it to be. That will be your new combination. Just spin them off, and it's locked. And that is how you open the Master Lock 1547D-CM, if you ever come across one. But just don't buy one. Have a good evening.